People from Jeju Island down south, right? The big
Mhm.
island. They're
Oh, oh wow.
yeah. People from Jeju Island down south, right? The big
Mhm.
island, like below the whole peninsula.
Mhm.
And, okay, so there are two provinces that I cannot really understand when they talk. I have no idea what they're saying. It's like a different language. There are not many people who can understand Jeju Island people,
Mhm.
but Jeju Island people can speak our language actually, right?
Mhm.
Of course. So they learn that in school, so they can speak Korean. But we cannot, we don't learn their language, so we have no idea. That's the first thing. And then Gangwon province, well, actually my dad is from Gangwon province, but he never really spoke that way. 제가방, my bad.
Jegabang.
Mhm. You know what's really funny? In Seoul language, 제 is a possessive, my. In
네.
Busan, it's the other way around. 제 is a subject. And I mean, in Seoul language, we say, 저는 제시카입니다. And then Busan people will say, 쟤는 저 제시카입니다.
Oh, oh
쟤는
wow.
제시카래. So it's totally opposite. Yeah. But
Jaynan is in Busan.
yeah.
Oh,
However, in Seoul, 제 can mean subject too, but different particle. 제가 is proper, but we never say 쟤는. But some people will say 쟤는. And then 저가 is totally opposite. Please don't forget to subscribe with notifications. I upload new YouTube videos here every week, typically Mondays and or Thursdays. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much for learning Korean with me. See you next time. 안녕. 다음에 만나요.